Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Planner Lover. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning in my social media Erin Condren Planner for the week of May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. I love to decorate for May the 4th because I'm a huge Star Wars nerd. So of course when LynnerDesigns came out with the Galactic Summer collection, I had to have it. So this is what we have here. This is the journaling kit. So I have some of the add-ons. So this is a tear sheet. This is the washi strips add-on. And then this is the full box scene add-on. And then this is the actual journaling kit. So we have the washi strips and the days of the week, some deco pieces, we have the torn pieces, we have 2 sheets of the deco. So that is what we are using for this week in my planner. So let's go ahead and begin with our spread. Okay, I have the torn pieces, but I also have these guys. I'm trying to figure out, because obviously we don't need the deco yet, I'm trying to figure out if I want to use, what I want to use specifically. I think I might use the torn pieces. I might not use this. I have the other parts of the collection that I haven't even shown you guys that haul yet because I need to get it uploaded, but I'm thinking of using the torn pieces. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. We're just going to use these torn pieces. Now, you guys have not seen this haul yet, so this collection is new to you, but I did film it. I am almost done editing it. I don't know why it takes me so long to edit haul videos. Maybe it's because they're like the videos that take more effort. If you are a film person, you understand what I'm talking about when I say when it takes more effort, because these videos, okay, my weeklies, I usually have a pretty good groove of how I film. But with vlogs and hauls, it takes a little bit more concentration and effort to actually plan out what I'm doing. And not that I don't want to do it, but you know what I mean. Like when I say it takes more concentration and effort, I mean like I have to really sit down and think about what I need to upload and what I need to film and all that stuff. So it takes more time to edit it. Did I need to put this full box scene on here? No, but I think it's really cool and really pretty. So I did it anyway because it's my planner and I can do what I want. Let's add a more, I don't know what I was going with there. Let's add another torn piece. Put that there. And then maybe we'll do this piece across the top too. Maybe. Yeah, that's cute. A little weird, but it's cute. Okay, and then I think I might add this at the bottom. Like that. And then there is a little bit extra here. Oops, that's technically not part of it, but I'm gonna add it anyway. So, do you guys celebrate May the 4th? Are you aware of what May the 4th is? If you're not, it is I'm sure most of you are, but if somehow you are not aware, it is a take on May the Force be with you, and instead of force, it's fourth. So, May the 4th be with you. Haha. Anyway, I grew up watching Star Wars. My dad is a huge Star Wars nerd, and he raised 3 girls, so naturally we all watched Star Wars because he was like, well, you're gonna like Star Wars, you're gonna watch Star Wars with me. And we did, and we liked it. There are some things that he watches that I just never got into, like Battlestar Galactica I was never really into, X-Files I was never really into. There are some shows that he watches that I just was never a fan of growing up. But he did like to introduce us to other things besides, like, you know, the stereotypical girly shows like Disney Channel. Things like that. So I'm really glad that he introduced us to that kind of stuff, because I am very happy with my Star Wars nerdy life. What do I want to do here? I'm kind of thinking of putting this at the bottom, and I think we're going to. I'm going to put it like this, and then we're going to do a little cut. There we go. Cool. Just stick that there. Okay. Now, we don't have bullets, but of course I have a whole book full of bullets, so we are going to, like, checklists is what I mean. We're going to get those. So, like I said, I do need something for my filming and editing lists, so we're going to use this here. I think I'm going to do it that way. And then one here for that, and then we'll just white out this notes section. I'm probably going to put something there, but just for, oh, I totally could have used this and this. Oh, well. Alright, let's add the deco now that we have this stuff down. I think she is going to go right. She looks BA. So we're going to put her right there because she's BA. And then I think we're going to add, ooh, this. This is really cool. So, do you guys like Star Wars, is what I wanted to ask you. And if you do you have a favorite character? And if you have a favorite character, who is it? Who is your favorite character? I have a few. I really like Han Solo. I think he is pretty cool. Quite a lot of people, I'm sure, like Han Solo. But I like him because he's just really fun and quirky. I really like Leia. But I like her because she is really headstrong and she knows what she wants. Like, she is not afraid to stand up for what she wants. She is a strong-willed woman, and despite the fact that she fell in love with her brother, which is kind of gross, she was like, oh my gosh, you're my brother, after that, and then she was okay, you know? I know that if you've never seen Star Wars, you're like, oh my gosh, Megan, what are you watching? I promise it's not as creepy as you would think. I'm actually not going to use this girl because I am not a huge fan of this costume. Although technically, I could cover her up. Right? I could. I'm not a huge fan of this costume. And I know that it's like that for a specific reason. Like, the people made it like that to sell things, but I'm just not a fan of this costume at all, so I don't really like to use it, so we're not going to. Okay, and then we like this, so he's gonna have the Death Star watermelon next to him because he's like, yeah, I'm cool, don't you know it? Alright, and then this, I actually think I'm going to put there. I'm going to do this one here. And then we're just going to sprinkle things around the spread. Ooh. I wonder if I can lift this up and move it. Move it to just over just a bit. Yeah. So we put her there, or that there. We're gonna put, oh, stop it. We're gonna put this right here. Because they're like lightsaber food pops. I like that. Okay. Let's put our droid guy right here. And then we're just going to kind of sprinkle this stuff around. Because I think it's fun. Oh, here, we're going to put you right there. And scoot you over just the smallest titch. Right there. Perfection. Okay. I switched this. This is going to go here. Like that. That's cool. You're going to have to scooch over though. There we go. This looks really fun. I'm really liking how this is turning out. Alright, we have our cocktail. I think we have another one just like it. We do. So we're going to put a smaller one right there. And then this guy can go right here. Necklace and our goggles. Let's put the goggles up here. Necklace right here. Our bowl of Boba Fett fruit is going to go down here. Cute. We also have the tiki hut, which I really like. And I'm thinking, here, we're going to move these R2-D2 pants. And we're going to put the tiki hut there. With the necklace. Kind of next to it. And then the pants we'll put right there. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, let's put some washi strips on here because that will be fun. I'm really thinking of putting this washi strip here. Like this, you know? You know. There we go. Isn't that fun? I like it. I think it's fun. I could add these little pieces as just like random stuff, right? To help with color. Adding a little color like that. It's not bad. I could do the same thing right here because there's not really any color there. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Okay, let's add the days of the week on here. I really, really, really like this, guys. I think this is so cute. Thank you, Lynn, for making such a freaking gorgeous kit. Look how fun this is. I'm absolutely freaking obsessed. I really like this. I think I'm definitely going to add these like star pieces everywhere because that looks cool. So we're going to do it. We're going to add these little star pieces these little deco things all over the spread. Okay, now that made it so much cuter, right? If I had another sheet, I would do some over here, but I definitely really like this. That is, oh my gosh, this is way too cool. Oh, I love this so freaking much. Alright everyone, that is it for this week and my social media planner using the Galactic Summer kit from LynnerDesigns. I think it turned out really cute. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think that it's very summery and it's very May the 4th, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to use this kit. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out LynnerDesigns. I will have her information in the description box below. I will have the haul video showing this kit and a lot more other things as well. A lot of other things as well coming up very soon if it's not already out, but I will leave LynnerDesigns information in the description box below so you guys can check them out and see all of the wonderful amazing kits that they have in their shop. If you like this video and you want to see more of my social media videos where I've decorated all of these spreads, you can check out that playlist. It will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a wonderful May the 4th. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.